sometimes when we have to write numbers that are really long, we can shorten them down by using something that's called exponents. Everybody say exponents. Yeah, and we call that exponential form when we write things with exponents. And we call it over here in this box, exponential form. We can change from number form to exponential form very easily. So I just wanted to show you where exponential form came from. Exponential form looks like this. A little floating number at the top. It's at the top right-hand corner. And you can see you can have different numbers at that top right-hand corner. And of course, it means different things. So 10 to the third power, or 10 to the third, is bigger than 10 to the second, which is bigger than 10 to the first. When we say these numbers, we don't say 10 to the 1, 10 to the 2, 10 to the 3. We say 10 to the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now, what does it mean to be 10 to the first power, 10 to the second power, 10 to the third power? Well, it just means that we're multiplying 10 one time. So here you see no multiplication because I just wrote 10 one time. And 10 is equal to 10. No problem. Here, 100 is equal to 10 to the second power. Notice that I wrote 10 twice because the exponent is 2. So 10 times 10, we all know, is 100. Another way to write 100 is 10 to the second power. This is very intuitive. It's very easy to remember. 10 to the third means I write 10 3 times, multiply them all together, and I get 1,000. The smart way of doing this is just to count the number of zeros. How many zeros in 10? 1 0, so this is 10 to the first power. How many zeros in 100? 2 zeros, so this is 10 to the second power. How many zeros in 1,000? 3 zeros, so this is 10 to the third power. Let's practice going back and forth between these.